Welcome back. I'm Andrew, founder of Classkick and former high school teacher. I'm super pumped to show you a new feature today, co-teaching. So as we jump into an assignment, sometimes I want to have other teachers help me on this assignment, or I want to add my administrator or a PLC team member so they can view students' work in my class. Or sometimes even I'll have a parent helper or other person that I just want to be able to jump in here and help out. So I'll show you how to do that. Let's go to the managing this roster and then click co-teachers here. And just so you know, you can also get there if you just go on the sidebar to rosters and co-teachers and then navigate there in the same way. I'm going to add one teacher here, but you can add as many as you want to this roster. So now let's go over here to Ms. Smith's class, and in her account, now she has this co-taught roster from Mr. Pulaski. And when she jumps in here, both teachers can jump in and help these students. So I'll have this teacher give some feedback here. Great, they gave this sticker. Well, this teacher goes over here and gives another sticker. And then I'm going to have them both draw on the same slide over here. So we can just see that happening in real time. This teacher will just draw a little circle while this teacher jumps in. It's going to draw a little triangle. Great. So now you can see that we can add as many teachers to these rosters as possible for co-teaching. Please reach out to us, let us know how you like it and what else we can improve, and we'll see you next time.